Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gracie Concept. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly do so, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So for today's training, I'll be training you on how to make this bridal hand fan. This is a traditional bridal hand fan, although some brides use it for their white wedding. Let's get started. For our bridal hand fan, I'll be making use of scissors, B7000 glue, my gun, my hot gun, and the candle wax. This is my feathers. I got a pack of feather because I'll be making a 360 fan. Here is my trimmings. I'll be also making use of this design for the fan. I'll make use of this local fan. And the last I'll be using is bridal satin. Let's go. The first step is this. You're just going to cut your bridal satin just like the fan, leaving some inch that you will fold in. So this is it. I'll just go ahead and cover the first part of my fan using my glue. I'll just go ahead and cover it. Just spread the glue all around this way, then cover it. And you just fold it round. I'm just going to use my scissors to keep it. This. So I'm just going to cover it round. So I've covered the first part of the fan. Cover the first part. So I'll just go ahead and do same for the second part. So this I've already colored my bridal satin. So I will just apply my glue to it. So I'll just fold it inside, then glue them. So I'm just folding the excess inside gently using my B6000 gum. Just hold it. Using my candle wax and the gun, I'll just cover the hand of the fan. Just cover it neatly. Using my scissors, I'm just going to divide my feathers this way. I'll just cut them into pieces like this. Okay, so I've gotten some here. This is it. I will just use my biro to draw a line where I want it to be. Then my second layer will come this way. This is my hot glue. I will just pick my faders one after the other and apply it on the line I drew this way. I'm just going to repeat the same process for everything. Okay, so I'm done placing my feeders on the first layer. I mean the line I drew. So I'm just going to repeat the same process for the second one. I'll just apply the feeders there. Okay, I'm done fixing them in the first part. I'm just going to repeat the same thing here. I'm just going to draw the first line. Just going to draw the second one. Okay, this is what I got. So this is, I can't leave my fan this way, so I will just use my trimming to just cover some parts before I use my design. Still using my hot glue. I'm just going to cover each round. Okay, so this is what I got. Still going to repeat the same process what I did here. I'm just going to repeat it at this part. Just cover each round after applying my glue. Okay, I'll be adding my another trimming to this middle just to cover it. I'll be adding them one after the other gently, just to have a great finishing. I'll just add them, just apply gently. Okay, I'm done covering this part. I'm just going to repeat the same process for the other side. I'll just apply all my trimmings. Okay, I'll just use my remaining trimmings to just cover this part. Sorry, I forgot to video the other side, but it's just the same process. We just cover it.